fine.
Find it, take it, repair, shape it.
With today's event, we can witness something incredible. How empowering the new generation, we call them Gen Fix.
Kids are naturally creative. This is about giving them the tools, the skills, and showing them that they have the power to fix whatever they own.
Three-D printing is very useful for fixing things or printing some toys.
Fixing classes, they used to be mandatory all over Czechia. Now they have been erased. We are working to bring fixing back to the younger generation.
That would be really cool.